All that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. I'm not sure if this video will be dropping on Saturday or if this video will be dropping on Sunday this weekend, but whatever day it is, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're gonna go over a couple things that I got. I got something in the mail, and also I got a pickup that I picked up. Kind of like making me feel like a winner because it's my first double up ever to ever get in a shoe like this. So if you guys are new to the channel, before we get into this unboxing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join your boy DaRetroWizKid in the sneaker dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video right here up to 100 likes. Make sure you guys splack that like button, and whatever it is that you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment down below and let me know if you guys will be when we get into the shoes, we'll elaborate into it, and then let me know what y'all's thoughts are about what I'm gonna speak on about this particular brand, this particular shoe, this particular style. Shout out to the nice fine people over at Solepremise. I was able to join the team. You guys can use DaRetroWizKid to save some money off on your next purchase. I will leave a link in the description box below for you guys. And hey, this one right here, I don't think I've seen anybody have this bag. You know, Solepremise, they have the bags for you to fly, TSA approved, all that good stuff. And this one right here is actually one of their newest bags. It was supposed to originally come out last month sometime, but due to Memorial Day and everything, it got pushed back. So here is the new bag, and we about to get into this. And ooh, that thing is looking good, and I ain't even got it out the box. Solepremise blessed your boy with the Solepremise sticker, which this will be going on my laptop. You know, I'm gonna make some space, throw the Solepremise sticker on the laptop, because y'all know I love stickers, man. Shout out to the gang sending over the Solepremise shirt. Very, very fuego, very, very dope. I am feeling it. You guys can see it looks to be a Yeezy. That is a Yeezy right there on the shirt, man. That is definitely a Yeezy on there. So got the Solepremise shirt, all white. Y'all already know how we rock. Let's get into the goods. Woo! Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. And y'all already know, man. It's over here, man. I can smell that thing through the bag, G. Woo! Oh yeah, the bag from Solepremise has officially been smell test approved by your boy DaRetroWizKid. Hey, let's get this thing up out the bag, y'all. And we in there. So y'all, this is the blue Luciano, newest bag that I've seen on the site. You guys can check it out. It is TSA approved, and we're gonna go over a couple of the compartments and everything. This thing is huge, y'all. And hey, I'm very, very pleased with the quality on this bag. I'm very pleased with it, man. TSA approved. You guys can definitely travel with this as a carry-on. That way you don't have to worry about putting your shoes in your main bag and putting it underneath the plane. You can always have them sitting right there with you. Now, this bag does come with a lot of compartments, y'all. As you guys can see right here, you do have a compartment right here where you can put a pair of shoes, or put a pair of shoes right here. And also, you have another compartment right here, which zips into a whole nother compartment right here, y'all. We do have another one on this side. It's a three layered bag, to be honest. So you guys can see, you can put a pair of shoes here, pair of shoes here. You can put a pair of shoes here. You can put a pair of shoes here. And I will show you guys exactly how the shoes look in the bag right here for y'all. So as you guys can see, this bag is pretty big, y'all. It is a really big bag, and it holds up to 5 shoes, if not even more, if you want to put more shoes, depending on how you want to store them in the compartments. But as you see, I've already unzipped this one so you guys can see. Right here, I put some ones in there just to show you guys how they would look with the ones in there. And I still have a lot of space. As you can see, you can still store stuff in the small compartments on this side if you wanted to, as well as you do have this flap right here that opens up, and as you guys can see, you can store some stuff in there as well. Computer, i.e. socks, whatever it is you want to do. Actually, you can store the computer right here, then throw like some clothes in there to give it some padding around it and different stuff like that. And then also on the other side, so like I said, 3 layers to the compartment. You guys can see I store some shoes right there as well, just to show you guys for the video. And then on the bottom of the bag, of course, you have this compartment right here. Got some complex con top 3s down there, and that's 5 shoes that you guys have seen that have been stored in the bag. You can throw more shoes in there if you guys want to. Y'all have it, y'all. The blue Luciano, really dope bag. One of the newest bags that they have on Solepremise.com. I'll leave a link in the description box. Of course, like I said, use DaRetroWizKid. Save you some money on your next purchase. Dope bag, man. Now let's get into these kicks. Get it! So, just to say something real quick. I did mention in the video when I was editing the video up and everything, the reason why I was able to get this shoe later on after it released was because Shoe Palace in my city did not get the shoes, so they released the shoes later on. But if you put in for the raffle last week on Wednesday, then they will let you know this following Wednesday if you won the shoe and you come pick it up. So that is why and how I was able to pick up the shoes. Ended up hitting on 2 raffles from Shoe Palace, but for some reason, I put in for a size 11. It gave me a size 12. Hey, I'm not hating. I was able to go ahead and get that shoe off to somebody that could fit it and wanted it and help somebody out. And I was able to get the other pair. So, yeah, that's how it happened. Yeah. So seeing that I'm already standing, I'm gonna just continue standing throughout the rest of the video. Now this shoe right here, it already came out, y'all, but I was able to secure not 1, not 2, but 3 pairs of the shoes, y'all. Some were not in my sizes, so I ended up flipping a pair and held on to a pair. Now, this pair right here is my trade bait for SneakerCon, or if anybody got a pair of them Glow Yeezys out there, I'm trying to get them, but of course, I was able to get some extra ones, and bam, we got the triple blacks, non-reflective joints. So we've already done a review on the shoes. You guys have already seen them, but now I want to talk a little bit about the restocks and why certain Yeezys are coming back and why I think they're coming back, or were they ever sold out? Honestly, were they ever sold out? So last year we saw a lot of stuff come back that had already released, and a lot of people were thinking like, hey, that they already had these shoes. Is this that they didn't sell out and they just had these in the warehouses? Then we're hearing the rumor now that the Turtle Doves are going to be releasing in Europe because one of the factories are shutting down. Well, hey, y'all just holding on to Turtle Doves. It's been umpteen years and y'all just got them sitting in there. So that leads me to the speculation that, even like I always say, when they say it's a certain amount of shoes made, they don't release them all at the same time. And I think a lot of people should be catching on to that now. If you're new to the sneaker game and you didn't know that, I mean, now you know. Every time when they say there's this amount of shoes, X, Y, and Z, hence we'll use the Concords from last year. They released them two to three times before release day. Shot drops on Nike like 2 to 3 times, I believe it was. 2 or either, whatever it was. Then they dropped them. Then they released them again on Monday, already doing restocks. We saw them restock. They've at least dropped like 6-7 times. Let's be real. Let's just be real. They've dropped about 6-7 times. So you do the math and it lets you think that if they said they produced this many, they're gonna space them out. They're gonna hold on to pairs. I mean, I went to Shoe Palace last year, and I was able at one of the grand openings to be able to secure the 2013 taxis. Like that just lets you know that there are shoes that sit in warehouses for special events, for just, you know, grand openings, giveaways, different things that companies want to use things for to do things. And that's all I'm saying, is that I don't think that the Bred V2 is a bad way for this shoe to come back. And honestly, I'm happy that they're giving it to us again. I mean, yes, our price is gonna plummet probably for the first version of the V2 Bred, possibly. Or is it the same shoe? And it's just the fact that they've had these shoes sitting somewhere, it's gonna be very limited to when they restock them. Or is it gonna be like how they did the zebras and the frozen yellows? Because those were plentiful. You know what I mean? Those were plentiful in my eyes. Where I'm at, or should I say, they were plentiful. You could get them if you really put your mind to it and you really wanted them. You're able to secure that bag. Now, I'm thinking that, you know, it's dope in a way because if you look at the new triple black V2 that came out non-reflective, it is black, but it's not like a jet black. When you look at that V2 Bred, and I'll throw the picture up right here for you guys, it's like dark black. Like it's black, man. Like the new triple black non-reflective, that thing is not, it's not a dark black, but it's black, if that makes sense to y'all. And I'll probably I'll throw a little clip of the on foot in there where I did the on foot for you guys right here so you guys can see them like in the light, in the natural light. But I'm happy that they're bringing the V2s back. I don't know, you guys let me know how you guys feel. Is Yeezy winning? I mean, what's the difference from Yeezy dropping a shoe like this than Jordan dropping a shoe like this? Is it starting to kill the resale value on some of the shoes? Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, but Jordan drops shoes all the time that are retros, and these aren't really retros to me. I call them re-releases, but I don't know. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. To me, I feel like retros are only Jordans. I don't know. That's just me. I only call Jordans retros. Other shoes, either I call them quick strikes or I call them re-releases. But that's me. I only call doggone Jordans retros. And maybe that's just me. Maybe, I don't know. Do other people call shoes that come out or retro shoes? I call them, I just say they came back out. I literally only call Jordans retros. I never really thought about that until just now when I was telling you guys that. But yeah, I consider it a re-release, a restock or something like that, not a retro. So I look forward to seeing the V2 come back. I would like to get my hands on those. I really hope that it's not just like some fake rumor and, you know, Yeezy Mafia posted it. Normally they're pretty correct with the things that they say are gonna happen. We've seen them, you know, sometimes people are wrong, but sometimes hit or miss people are right. So hey, we'll see how that thing go, man. But it is your boy DaRetroWizKid. Hey, if you got a pair of them glow Yeezys out there, man, DM me in my inbox. Let me know if you're trying to do a trade. I'm trying to get them glow Yeezys for these black Yeezys. You know, I don't know, maybe somebody might want to do it. But it's your boy DaRetroWizKid. Make sure y'all follow your boy on all my social media platforms. 30 days of AJ1s over there on Instagram, man. I've been killing it for you guys. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Over there on Twitter at Wiz_retro, and I do follow back. And make sure you guys splack that like button over there on my Facebook page at DaRetroWizKid. Hey, I love y'all. I appreciate all the continuous love and support. We're on the race to 10,000 subscribers. 5K on the way. That's what I'm gonna say this time, 5K on the way. And I love y'all, and I will catch you guys tomorrow in the next video. Yeah!